What if the way you experience the world is just one of many possible realities? Prepare to have your understanding of perception shattered. We're uncovering the fascinating neurological phenomenon where sounds aren't just heard, they're seen, and tastes aren't just savored, they're felt. This isn't science fiction. It's the incredible synesthesia spectrum. For the next 10 minutes, you're going to experience what it means to truly engage all your senses at once. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Settle into a comfortable position. Allow your eyes to gently close, or soften your gaze downward. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it. Now release it slowly. Close your eyes for a moment. What do you truly sense around you? Most of us rely solely on sight. But right now, we're going to discover that your ears, your fingertips, and even your nose can paint a more detailed picture of reality than your vision ever could. We begin with the most primal sense: smell. Think smell is just for delicious dinners? Think again. Bring your awareness to the air entering your nostrils right now. Notice the subtle scents woven into each breath. Perhaps it's the faint trace of your morning coffee, the clean scent of fabric or soap on your clothes. Maybe it's something you can't name, but it pulls you toward a forgotten memory. Here's what most people don't know. Your sense of smell is directly wired to your limbic system, the emotional center of your brain. This is why a single scent can transport you instantly to your grandmother's kitchen 30 years ago. Now, I want you to imagine something extraordinary. As you breathe in, imagine each scent has a color. What color is the air you're breathing right now? Don't think, just observe what emerges. Perhaps it's soft blue, cool and clean. Maybe it's warm amber, carrying hints of earth. Let each breath paint a color in your awareness. This is your first step into synesthetic perception. Now let's layer sound. Bring your attention to the soundscape around you. Listen beneath the silence. There's the hum of electricity in the walls, the distant rhythm of traffic or wind, the quiet pulse of your own heartbeat. Choose one sound and focus completely on it. Now imagine this sound has a texture. Is it smooth like glass, rough like bark, soft like velvet? The hum might feel like cool, polished metal. Your breath might feel like warm silk. Now combine them. What color is this texture? You're beginning to experience what synesthetes know, that all senses are interconnected, part of one unified field. Let's deepen further. Touch. Without moving, become aware of your skin. Feel the fabric touching your shoulders. The temperature of the air on your face. The weight of gravity holding you. Now imagine each sensation produces a sound. The fabric on your skin, what note does it play? Perhaps it's a low hum, steady and grounding, or a high chime, delicate and brief. Your fingertips can detect vibrations, smaller than a strand of DNA. Right now, you're touching infinite information you've been trained to ignore. But as you practice this cross-sensory awareness, your brain begins rewiring itself. Neural pathways that were separate start communicating. Now taste and emotion. Bring to mind a memory of pure joy. A moment when you felt completely alive. As you hold this feeling, notice if it has a taste. Does joy taste sweet like honey? Bright like citrus, warm like cinnamon? Now shift to a memory of deep peace. What does peace taste like? Cool like mint, smooth like cream? Emotions carry sensory signatures beyond words. Now we bring all 5 senses together in unified awareness. Imagine a sphere of golden light before you. See its warm glow pulsing gently. Hear the harmonic tone it produces. Feel its warmth radiating toward your skin. Smell its scent, like sunlight on honey. Taste its essence, sweet and luminous. All 5 senses perceiving one presence, each adding dimension to the whole. This is synesthesia as a natural state of integrated perception. Notice how reality feels different now. Richer, more textured, more alive. The boundaries between senses have dissolved, revealing the unified field beneath all perception. Understanding synesthesia challenges everything we think we know about reality. It shows us that consciousness itself is far more fluid and interconnected than we've been taught. As we complete this journey, take one final breath into this expanded awareness. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Look at the world with fresh perception. You've just unlocked a hidden layer of reality that was always here. This is your birthright to experience existence as one unified, luminous symphony. Share your experience in the comments below. What colors did your sounds become? What did joy taste like for you? Welcome to the world beyond separation. Welcome to synesthesia.